Happy New Year. My name is Mark Swartley. I'm the Executive Director of Pinebrook and Spruce Lake. Let me start out 2023 with a great big thank you to all of you. Without your support, without your sustaining support, we would not be here after the last 2.5 years. That's not how we want to end the year. We want to start the year on 2023 with good news. This is our 60th year at Spruce Lake. We're going to celebrate 60 years of ministry. Why don't you go ahead and mark your calendar for June 4th, 2023 for an open house to remember. It's not the only thing going on in 2023. If those of you have been listening, we're trying to get our cabin campaign kicked back off. I have 2 prayer requests for you. 1, we need a DEP permit. Can't go ahead without it. And 2, of course, funding is always a question. For those of you that have supported us, thank you. For those of you that are thinking about it, we're still in need. Thank you. And those of you that are watching Pinebrook closely, the guests are back in droves since the pandemic. Not only are they back, but day camp is up and running and looking forward to a great 3rd year. We're looking forward to a great 23, everything that it brings, everything that God can sustain us with. Why don't you come up and visit us in the Pocono Mountains sometime and see what God's doing as we point people towards Christ together. Thank you.